Faith-based institutions were not spared the devastating impact of Hurricane Melissa when it slammed through the southern parishes of Jamaica on October 28. As we drove through Lacovia St. Elizabeth and asked for directions, residents pointed out the Vision Deliverance Center, led by Bishop Ulick Kelly, that lost its roof during the storm.
And we have to replace it. Some of the instrument they got wet up and so forth. And so we have to replace everything. So we are making an appeal to whoever can, no matter how small it is, we will appreciate it.
Donors can contact Bishop Ulick Kelly at 876-784-0238. That's 876-784-0238. Despite the damage to the church, Bishop Kelly is confident that the sanctuary will be restored, noting that it serves as a place of refuge for members of the community.
Thank you all for your prayers, and we will continue. I believe we will, well, I know we will bounce back. And so God bless you, and continue to pray for us.